Okay, I'm going to be testing out a underground electric fence dog collar, just because I want to make sure that we know what our animals are going to be going through. So, should beep when I get closer. Okay, that's letting me know I'm. Okay. That's the furthest distance. Get a little closer. Okay. It works. Alright, that was fun. That wasn't even me stepping completely over the wire. That was about 5 feet until you get to the wire. And that hurt like all hell. So, that should keep him from getting out.